Full outer join is a type of join between two tables, where the join type will return value with all the records of right table and left table. This product table is our left table, which contains product ID and product name. The second table, sales, is our right table and contains product ID and sold quantity. Product ID is the common column in both tables. To create a full outer join, click on the Merge Queries and select Merge Queries as New. I will select Sales Table from the drop-down for the right table. Then click on the common column Product ID from both tables. From the Join Kind drop-down, select Full Outer Join. I will rename my query as Full Join. This will create a new table with all records from both tables. By clicking on the icon near Sales, I will select Sold Quantity to be displayed a column. We have created a full outer join between the Products and Sales table. I will expand the Sales table and select Product ID as well as Sold Quantity. The null values are the values which did not match or were not available in the Sales tables and Products tables. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and get regular updates. Also check out other Power BI videos. Click on the videos on the screen.